Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make money online with YouTube without even making a single video. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day, so you don't want to miss out on that. So, how do you actually make money with YouTube without even making a single video? Well, first of all, you want to pick a niche of where you're going to do that. Pick a niche where, like, people are getting some views and, all that stuff. And pick a niche that you actually enjoy, because if you don't enjoy it, then it's going to be just not as fun. And what you're going to do with that is you're going to do compilation videos. There are a ton of compilation videos out there. If you like playing video games, for example, you can make like a ton of money just like downloading video games. You can make a ton of money with that niche, or there are a ton of niches. Just make sure that there's a niche where people are actually watching videos. Then what you do is you're going to do compilations. So you're going to download different ones, and there are a ton of compilation videos already, but all you have to do is download the videos that you like, cut them up and just edit them and just put it back up again, because that is how a lot of people are actually making money. There's a ton of people that haven't ever made a video and are making a ton of money. So what you do is you just cut them up, take the pieces out that you like, which is why you have to actually be interested in that niche, because otherwise you're just going to cut anything. Like if I were to do Fortnite videos and do compilation videos, trust me, it would be a very, very bad video, because I wouldn't know what's interesting to the people in that niche. So what you do is you cut them up and just do something interesting. And you can look up like compilation of whatever your niche is and just look at what they do and do exactly the same. Now, don't do the same exact video, but the exact same idea. So you just download the videos from YouTube, cut them up, do your own, and then what you're going to do is you're going to do a ton of videos, because these niches get a lot of searches, so it won't be that hard to get to 1,000 subscribers. Once you do get to 1,000 subscribers, you're going to put in some ads, like AdSense. But you're going to put in a lot more than most people do, because if you make like 10-minute videos or 14-minute videos, you can squeeze in at least like 4 ads in there. So that's what you do, you squeeze in some ads, and some people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars just by doing that, and nobody even knows who's behind them except for themselves and YouTube, obviously. But that is how you do it. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, there is a way to do that, and that's affiliate marketing. So, what you do with affiliate marketing is, if someone's playing Fortnite, for example, there's probably an affiliate link to get Fortnite. It's like 99% chance that there is. And you can also do that with like, merch and all these different things. And what you do is you collect their email, so you create a landing page and a whole sales funnel basically. And I have a ton of videos explaining sales funnels, so I'll explain really quick. But what you do is you create a landing page, so they enter their email, then they get into whatever you want to, then they get to like a video where you explain why they should buy whatever they're going to buy. But if it's Fortnite videos, you don't even have to do that, just like a small text, and then send them to an affiliate link. And all that can be done by clicking like my #1 recommendation, so you can absolutely do that. And what's going to happen is people are going to buy, and you're going to send them some emails over and over again. And don't worry, it's very passive because you only have to write the emails once and then they get on for 7 days or 8 days or however long you want to like write emails for. But this is what's going to happen. So you're going to send them some emails over and over again, like telling them why they should buy the product if they haven't bought it. And that's the way that you're going to make hundreds and thousands of dollars if you actually put in the work. And like, I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to make that money. Maybe you're not going to make any money, especially at first. But like growing the channel is how you're going to be able to do that, and that's how a lot of people are making a ton of money without making a video. So that's exactly what you have to do. Everything's explained. So all you have to do is actually put in the work, because as I said in my previous video, well, probably my previous video because I filmed it like 5 minutes ago, what I said in that video is it doesn't come overnight. There is no push button secret. But if you put in the work, this is a great way to do that if you don't want to show your face. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.